Hello, I'm Yajie Zhang, an innovation fellow of biomechanics in Assistive Technologies Innovation Centre, shortened as ATIC. It's a part of University of Wales, Trinity St David. I joined the team and accelerate in September 2020. I'm a behavioral and human movement scientist in the area of kinesiology and rehabilitation sciences. In ATIC, I'm responsible for biomechanical and ergonomic part. My previous PhD research was about perception and action and gait analysis. It's an exciting opportunity to work in a multidisciplinary team, which includes designers, engineers, architects, and talented people. My work is, for example, focusing on the sedentary behavior and sitting posture. We have other projects like the R&D for medical devices to support the healthcare system using the motion capture system, the wireless EMG, pressure mapping, and so on. We are open to collaborate with researchers, companies, and parties. Not limited to biomechanical tools, we can also apply virtual reality and eye tracking, facial expression analysis, and thermal imaging where it's needed. We also have 3D printers and experts. If you want to get in touch, find me and us on Twitter, drop an email, or follow me on LinkedIn.